Okay, welcome back. Here is problem 58 on page 57. It is a sister to problem 56, which I believe is one of the problems in your homework number 5 assignment. And as you can see, problem 58 defines a rational function here, g of x, polynomial divided by a polynomial. And it asks you simply to find the domain. So in order to find the domain, what you look for is the zeros of the denominator. Because if you go back to the very definition of a rational function is a ratio of polynomials, p of x and q of x, such that q of x does not equal 0. If the denominator is 0, then p over 0 is not defined, r of x is not defined. So essentially, the domain of any rational function is all reals except for those that I'm going to say for those that render the denominator to be 0. All right, there's the definition. All I've got to do is find the zeros of this denominator. The denominator is x cubed minus 4x. I can factor out an x squared minus 4. I can recognize this latter factor, x squared minus 4, as the difference of squares, x minus 2, x plus 4. And then the zeros are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, or x is, I wrote this wrong. This is x minus 2, x plus 2. So the zeros are x equals 0, x equals 2, and x equals minus 2. And the domain, then, you can write all x not equal to 0 and plus or minus 2. Fine answer. Thanks.